Your Steam Deck can play Cyberpunk at max settings, 60 FPS with zero performance issues. I've been streaming games from my gaming PC to my Steam Deck for the past months, and honestly, I should done this way earlier. Today I'm showing you absolute best way to stream PC games using Moonlight and Apollo. Alright, enough talk. Let's set it up. First, we need to install Apollo on your gaming PC. This is basically a server that hosts your games. Okay, first open your browser and head to GitHub or Google. Just search for Apollo Sunshine GitHub, or I'll have a link in the description. Once you're on Apollo GitHub page, look for Releases section on the right side. Click on the latest release. Scroll down to Assets section. From Windows, we want the installer. Click to download it. Download's done. Let's run the installer. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. And just keep spamming Next button. Pretty easy. This takes about 20-30 seconds. It's installing the Apollo service that will handle all streaming from your PC. After installation is done, you can quickly check if you have it on your PC. I prefer to keep it, on a taskbar or wherever. Don't be scared, just click Advanced and continue. We're just running on a local network. So here you need to have your username and a password. And continue. Now you can log into your Apollo. But you can see this red big stuff, that something is wrong. Don't worry. You just need to restart your PC. Let's go and do it quickly. After you restart your PC, everything should be good. Okay, let's check it again. Yep, everything is good now, so we can go to the next step. Okay, PC setup is done. Now, let's get your Steam Deck connected. Moonlight is the client app that connects to Apollo to your PC. And the best part, it's built right into the Steam Deck Discovery Store. So you don't need to hustle and, tinker a lot of stuff. On your Steam Deck, we need to switch to desktop mode. Press the Steam button, go to Power, press Switch to Desktop. After, we need to go to Discovery Store. Press Steam plus X to open the keyboard. Type Moonlight. Click on it and install. After, just wait a couple seconds to complete installation. And you can add it to your Steam library. Go to Steam, Library, add game, and add a non-Steam game. And pick your Moonlight app. Okay, here you go. All done. After this, you can access Moonlight app through your regular Steam Big Picture mode or game mode, whatever. Now we need to restart our Steam Deck. Click Restart Now. Okay, now you can scroll to non-Steam section and you can see the Moonlight. Finally, let's try to open it. Let's set it up with our PC. Okay, you can see our PC, but let's change a couple of settings first. First one, resolution. Put it on native and choose your frame rate. I pick 90 FPS because I have a Steam Deck OLED. You can pick 60 or even 30, whatever you like. For bitrate, put 40 megabyte per second. Next one, video decoder. Choose force hardware decoding. And video codec, put H265. You can try AV1 as well, but, try a couple options. And click Enable HDR as well. That's all for Moonlight settings. Let's go back and try to connect our PC. Let's click on your PC name and you can see a pairing request. Go to your PC. On your Apollo interface, click Pin and click Pin Pairing. Put the pin from your Steam Deck screen and the device name and click send. Okay, successful. We have our PC connected with our Steam Deck. And on your Steam Deck you can see the icon changed as well. Alright, quick pause. If you're following along and this is working for you, drop a comment and let me know. And if you're stuck on any step, comment your issue. I will try to help you troubleshoot it if I know how to do it, of course. And also drop a quick like for this video. This helps me know if this content is useful for you. And subscribe, of course. Thank you. Let's continue. Now let's go to device management, click on the Steam Deck settings and click always use virtual display. That's important. Go to your applications and do the same with both of your application. For desktop and for Steam Big Picture mode. This setting allows you to activate virtual display on your main PC just to separate your main PC from the streaming device. Okay, let's click to configuration. So we need to go to audio video section and click headless mode. With this one we can make sure it always starts a virtual display. And don't forget to click on save and apply buttons. Okay, let's jump back to Steam Deck and try to set up our streaming. Let's click on Steam. It's gonna start a Steam Big Picture mode. We are on our Steam Big Picture mode. And to make our experience smoother, go to your desktop, go to display settings and click show only on a second monitor. So when you start your streaming on a Steam Deck, it's create a virtual display on your main PC and turn off your screen on main PC. You can see I'm now on Steam Big Picture mode. Let's try to close the app. 1, 2, 3. Yay! We're back to our normal mode. And one more thing to fix before we go to testing our games. Some games require launchers and you cannot use touchscreen with your default settings. You can press this burger button on a Steam Deck and it's activate a gamepad mouse mode. But it's working, not really good. So I can show you the best way. On your Steam Deck, go to Moonlight gamepad settings, click edit layout, action settings, default, click settings, and add always on command. After click on add command, switch to system and add a touchscreen native support. That's all. After this, you can use your Steam Deck touchscreen as usual. You basically turn your Steam Deck to your gaming PC, almost. You just stream from your gaming PC, but it feels the same. And if you want to use mouse and a touchpad, press on your Steam button and hold it, and you can use your touchpad as usual as on your laptop. And if you're away from home and you want to be able to turn on your PC and stream it from your PC to the Steam Deck, you need to do a couple more steps. You need to turn on some things on your BIOS. It depends from your motherboard as well, so just go on Google, put your motherboard name and check how to turn on Wake on LAN function for your specific motherboard. You need to enable resume by PCIe device option. After LAN option ROM, enable as well. And ERP ready, you need to disable this. And after this, you need to go to your device manager. After find your network adapter, this is how mine looks. Go to properties, advanced, and enable wake on magic packet. And click OK and save. After this, it should work. Let's check. I have my PC turned off. I press wake up on Moonlight and it's starting to waking up. Now let's try to open Steam. It was turned off, so we need to put a password. And yeah, everything is working. So with this option you can turn on and off your PC and stream from your PC to your Steam Deck, wherever and whenever you like. And I have a couple quick pro tips for you before we finish. For best performance, connect your gaming PC to your router with an Ethernet cable. The Steam Deck can stay on Wi-Fi of course, but your PC needs that stable wired connection for this thing to work good. And streaming uses less power than native gaming. I can get around 5-6 hours of battery life streaming versus 2-3 hours when I'm playing directly from my Steam Deck. And Moonlight passes through all your Steam Deck controls perfectly. And if you're getting stuttering, check these 3 settings. First, your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure Apollo is using hardware encoding and lower your bitrate to 15,000 kilobyte per second. And this should fix 90% of all issues. So, bottom line, is this worth setting up? Absolutely. If you have a gaming PC and a Steam Deck or any other handheld, this is a game changer. You get a desktop quality gaming on a portable device and better performance than native Steam Deck and complete freedom to game anywhere in a house or anywhere in the world with a good internet. Setup takes just 15 minutes and it's completely free. And once it's done, you will wonder how you lived without it. If you set this up, let me know in the comments which game you're streaming first. I'm curious what's everyone going to try. And if you run into any issues, comment below. And I've got more Steam Deck tutorials coming, optimization guides, must-have accessories, all that good stuff. So, if you wanted to get more out of your deck, hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one. Happy streaming!